Want crystal clear proof every time you drive? The 70mm dashcam 4K A800SE records in upgraded 4K Ultra HD at 30 FPS, delivering sharp and detailed footage on every trip. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing of the 70mm dashcam 4K A800SE set. So what do you get when you buy one, or what's inside the box? So first of all, you have your user manual or owner's manual along with your electrostatic film and extra adhesive right here for your front and rear camera. Of course, you have your 4K dash cam with a tiltable lens so that you could adjust the angle that you want to see. And of course, your rear camera over here. And then your USB cables for your front and rear camera, as well as the mount for your front camera, and your USB port charger, and a prying tool for easier installation on your vehicle. So that's what you get when you buy a 70mm dashcam 4K A800SE set. Alright. It has a 3-inch display and 4 buttons below it, which allows you to toggle between the front and rear camera view display, trigger an emergency video, review recordings, and access the settings. Now for the features. This dashcam upgrades your view with 4K Ultra HD at 30 FPS, capturing license plates, street signs, and every little detail with incredible clarity, better than 2K or HD dashcams. This higher frame rate means smooth motion, so even fast-moving scenes stay sharp and reliable, giving you solid evidence for any situation, day or night. Low light, no problem. HDR paired with Super Night Vision brightens and balances your footage for sharp and detailed images while driving at night or even in dark roads and city lights without any grainy noise. With dual recording, you get a full story. Front and rear views captured together. Nothing gets left out. 4K resolution and 140 degrees field of view for the front camera, and 1080p and 130 degrees FOV for the rear camera. Both captures footage at 30 FPS. Accidents don't only occur while driving. That's why the A800SE automatically locks important footage when it detects an impact while your car is parked. It will automatically trigger a 30 seconds recording and notify you once it powers back on.
New parking monitoring video available. Please check the album within the app.
Aside from that, it also has a time-lapse recording which captures footage at 1 frames per second and automatically adjusts exposure, gain, and noise for a clear recording. And this is what makes this dashcam last long, a supercapacitor instead of a battery. That means safer, longer lasting performance, and no swelling issues, even from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. If something happens while driving, knock on wood, the A800SE has your back. It records up to 3 minutes before and 30 seconds after an incident, so you never miss what led up to the accident or the event. Of course, it doesn't just record, it looks out for you. With ADAS alerts like lane departure warning, forward collision alerts,
caution, front car,
and even pedestrian or rider detection.
Attention to riders.
You've got an extra set of eyes on the road.
Attention to pedestrians.
Getting or
Attention to
sharing
riders.
footage is easy. With Wi-Fi 6, transfers are faster and more stable. And the companion app puts all your videos at your fingertips. Review, download, or fiddle with the settings in seconds. Need to move fast to your computer? Just plug it in. The USB flash drive mode turns your dashcam into an external storage device, so no SD card swapping is required. Want to retrace your steps or check your speed? The built-in GPS logs your routes and speed data across multiple satellite systems. Perfect for road trips or getting evidence. And yes, it's also voice control.
Take photo. Turn off audio. Record audio. Record video.
And lastly, it's also capable up to 512 GB of storage plus seamless loop recording, so you'll never worry about missing a moment. For a quick installation guide, first find a great spot for the dashcam. Make sure to put the dashcam on the center so that it will capture everything. Once you found a good spot, stick the electrostatic film and then stick the dashcam onto it. Then plug and route your power cable and the cable going to the rear camera. And lastly, install the rear camera and connect it to your 70My app. I like how the 70My dashcam 4K A800SE delivers crystal clear recordings day and night and captures both front and rear views, making sure that I won't miss anything on any drive. It also makes any car feel modern with its ADAS safety features, giving me confidence and control on every trip. Grab it now at launch price you can't miss at just 4,000 plus pesos. Click the link in the description down below. Drive smarter, drive safer. The 70My 4K A800SE, your everyday road companion.